Are you looking for a new business or investment opportunity? How would you like to make an extra £2,850 per month in income? Anyone would, wouldn't they? But how about doing it from just 20 minutes work per day? Just think for a moment. How would an extra several £1,000s income per month change your life? Have I got your attention now? You see, at Trend Signal, we are an award-winning trading education provider with a 15-year track record of providing home traders with scanning tools and 100% rules-based strategies that can help generate an additional income. For just 20 minutes time per day, these strategies have averaged 950 pips profit per month over the last 6 years. At just £3 per point, that's a £2,850 profit per month. That's not bad, is it, for following a few rules? Potentially even more if you've got a larger trading account. People like John here are already out there using these strategies. As he says, so far I've increased my starting bank by around 40%. Not bad for a few months, is it? Clearly, in watching this video, you are an action taker and exactly the sort of person that I want to be speaking to. You see, I've got a live online event coming up and I want to personally teach you the rules for my flagship sniper trading strategy. A strategy that can help you extract profits from the market by just following a few simple rules. Now don't panic, this is perfect whether you're brand new to trading or whether you're an experienced trader as well. So, complete the form on this page. Select the date that best suits you and I look forward to seeing you live at this online event. And remember, at this event, I'm going to teach you the 3 rules that you can follow to help generate 950 pips profit per month and potentially a major source of income. So I look forward to seeing you online soon. Bye-bye for now.